是来自嘉南中学幼儿园英德路大班的吴建国。今天是我们嘉南中学幼儿园英德路的毕业典礼，也是对最喜欢的老师和朋友们说再见的时候，我们总会手的 Nursery 1，接着是 Nursery 2，然后进入 Kinder 1。转眼间，竟然要从Kinder 2毕业了。如言之小小的我们，已经长得这么大了。我们每天都好好学习，乖乖听老师的话，健健康康的长大。现在我即将成为1年级的小学生，又能见到亲爱的小朋友们站在这里，我要自豪地说，我们毕业了。Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for taking time to attend our graduation ceremony. My name is Ken. I am honored to be given this opportunity to address you on behalf of my fellow graduates. Many of us have been in Navajo Christian School since nursery, although some of us are leaving soon. We know that we will take with us lots of happy memories with the times with our friends and teachers. I would like to thank my Chinese and English teacher, my school director, and principal who made our time in school fun and interesting. They have shown us love, care, guidance, and encouragement. We will always remember what they have taught us, no matter where we go. Personally, I would like to give my own award to the most outstanding teachers in my young life. Teacher Emma, Teacher Anna, Teacher Emmy, Teacher Sher, and my parents. Thank you, thank you, thank you. To my fellow graduates, look at the people around you. These are our friends, our teachers. As you graduate today, transfer to different schools, we in different parts of the Philippines, or even the world. Let us always remember where we all started. Naga Gold Christian School. Thank you.
So good,